To repair the end of this frayed nylon rope, I'm going to retwist these strands and get down to the shortest one. I'm going to take a piece of masking tape, wrap that so it stays nice and tight. And I'm going to take a knife and cut this frayed end off. I'm going to go about right there because it's going to melt down a bit when I put the fire to it. There we go. And that should do it. Nylon, basically plastic, and that melts. Everything fuses together, and I'll take off the tape, or I mean just leave it on there just as an extra strengthening precaution. I'm gonna do the same thing to this end. I need to melt that, but I want to be careful. Hot dripping plastic does not feel good when it drops on my skin. I've done it before. I don't want to do it again, so I want to be careful when I'm melting that. And this needs to cool off for probably 5 minutes before I want to come in contact with that end, but I'm going to go even longer than that. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.